What if I told you that the reason why you're struggling with affiliate marketing is simply because you are overcomplicating it? Yes, you are making it way more difficult than it needs to be. In this video, I'm going to remove the confusion, frustration. I'm going to simplify it so that you can actually start earning commissions with affiliate marketing. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, we are going to simplify affiliate marketing. We're going to help you earn your first or next commission, and I'm just gonna make it painfully simple for you. It's something that anybody can do, anybody can start, and I'm actually gonna use the example of a brand new product to help you get up and running so that you can do it too. So what I want you to do right now, real simple, real easy, go find a brand new product that is on the marketplace that's been released within the last 2 or 3 months that people are talking about. In this example, I'm going to use ClickFunnels 2.0. Yes, ClickFunnels recently came out with an upgrade. It's been much anticipated, and quite frankly, it has been talked about. There have been a lot of people sending out emails about it. There have been a lot of ads about it, and it can be a great place to get started. But you don't have to use ClickFunnels. You could use any product that's new. That's how we're going to enter into our market or niche. In my example, we're going to use ClickFunnels. So the first thing that you want to do is find a product. I'm going to use ClickFunnels, and then you need to understand the questions that people are asking. Yes, it's really as simple as that. I recommend that you use YouTube or TikTok or anywhere that allows you to upload video. If you don't want to be on camera, you can do this without being on camera. You can do this without showing your face. If you want to do this with a blog, you can do this too. This works for literally anything. So we've identified a solution. ClickFunnels is a solution. Now you have to think about the questions that people are typing in to get to ClickFunnels. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to use I'm going to use YouTube as an example, and I'm going to just type in ClickFunnels 2.0. And you're going to see that people are asking all sorts of questions when it comes to ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, again, you can apply this to any product that is brand new to the market. Anything that's been new or released to the market within the last 3 months, this will work for. So what we're going to do, for example, is ClickFunnels review. If we look at this, there are a bunch of people that have created review videos about ClickFunnels. Look at this, 17,000 views, 7.4 thousand views, and Builderpreneur is actually a large YouTuber. Look at this one, 7,000 views, 3.17 thousand subscribers. So this is a teeny tiny micro channel, and he's getting more views than Builderpreneur, who has over 152,000 subscribers. The biggest pushback that I always get when it comes to affiliate marketing is people say that you have to have this huge following. And this is a perfect illustration of you don't need to have a huge following. This person, 17,000 views, has more views than Builderpreneur. If we scroll down here, look at this one, 4.5 thousand views, 6,000 subscribers talking about ClickFunnels 2.0. If we look at this one, 111 views from 2 weeks ago, 1,000 subscribers. So literally anybody can do this. And the reason why we're starting with brand new products is because there is less competition. There are a bunch of people talking about it, but there is less competition. Another example, I'm just going to go on a side quest here. Another example is the Apple Mac Studio. All right, this is a brand new, relatively new desktop for the Mac. If you see, it's been released about 6 months ago, and it gets tons of views because it was new. People are always interested in new, and there's less competition in things that are new. So if you want to get into the tech space, you want to look for new tech, okay? But if we go back to ClickFunnels 2.0, what we're going to do, ClickFunnels 2.0, what we can do is we can do different videos. Now think about the questions that people are going to be asking if they are considering ClickFunnels 2.0. Just to give you an idea of what people might be asking, I'm going to bring up an online whiteboard so that you can see exactly the different types of questions that I would be asking if I were interested in ClickFunnels 2.0. You want to do this too. You want to put yourself in the mind frame of your consumer, the person that's going to buy from you. What do they want to know? And when you answer those questions, you can make money online with affiliate marketing. So I'm just going to quickly draw an inverted pyramid or a funnel based on consumer habits. So if we come here, this is how people buy stuff. All right. At the very top, people are happy. All right. At the very bottom, people know what they know. They know the problem. They know the solution. So what we can do down here is we can create review videos. So we're going to do review, unboxing first impressions. And even someone with the Mac Studio did a 6 month review. All right. So this is what you're going to create at the bottom of the funnel. And this works because this is a new product. What we can do is we can move up a level here. If I grab my pencil like this, we can think about alternatives. So if we do alts like this, so what we can do is come back over to ClickFunnels 2.0 and type in alternatives like this, hit enter, and then you could put together a list of the 5 or 6 best ClickFunnels 2.0 alternatives. Now look at this. ClickFunnels 2.0 cheaper alternative, 224 views, 45 subscribers. Guys, if you don't believe me, take a look at this for yourself. You can go do the research for yourself. The best ClickFunnels 2.0 alternative in 2022, 13 views from 12 days ago. Look at this teeny tiny channel, 2.64 thousand subscribers, 3.9 thousand views on ClickFunnels 2.0 alternatives. This is brilliant because you could put together a list of the 5 or 10 best alternatives and you could make money. You could also say ultimately ClickFunnels is the best solution for your needs. We can also do comparison. So what I like to do here is X versus Y. All right. So we can come back over here and we can do ClickFunnels 2.0 versus, as you can see here, ClickFunnels, System.io, go high level. Let's do ClickFunnels 2.0 versus Kajabi. Now, as the product ages, there's going to be more comparisons. So what you could do in this instance is get rid of ClickFunnels 2.0 like this. And if we look, I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. If we did versus like this, you could actually do ClickFunnels 2.0 and do comparisons against all of these, okay? And then simply create the content. You could put together a list of the 5 or 10 pros and cons of each, and then ultimately make a recommendation. And then you could actually be an affiliate for both and put your affiliate links in the description of your content. So if we come back over to our whiteboard, we've done X versus Y. So we could do best X for Y. So if I come back over here, we could do best X for Y. All right. So with this, you need to understand what ClickFunnels 2.0 does. We could do something like best landing page builder. Look at this. Best landing page builder. We do you can see for affiliate marketing, for lead generation. You can simply create this content. Best landing page builder for affiliate marketing. Once again, you're going to see that there are channels of all sizes. You create the content. We're going to talk about that in just a moment. 830 subscribers, 2.1 thousand views. People say to me all the time, how do I get views? How do I earn affiliate commissions? Well, you got to create the content to get the views. I'm telling you and showing you right now how to get the views. Now, again, this works for ClickFunnels 2.0. You can do this for a product that you recently found. Again, it should be released within the last 3 months. That's going to give you the best chance of getting traction in a crowded market. So what I would do is scroll through here, look and see what ClickFunnels does, funnel template. So we could say best funnel templates, best funnel templates like this, hit the space bar, and then see what pops up. But scroll through the web page, the main page, and see what pops up. Why a funnel? Okay, the funnel, they talk a lot about funnels. You could come back over to YouTube or TikTok, wherever, and you could search best funnel for, and you can see all of the different options. Best membership site. Let's come back over here like this. We could type in best membership site builder, best membership site platforms. Hit enter. And once again, we're going to see that there are people that are looking for this information. You create the content to help them out. 342 views, 152, 1,000 subscribers. 1.5 thousand views, 119 subscribers. You put together a list of the 5 best membership site platforms, you get traffic, and then you can put your affiliate links. We're going to talk about that in just a second. But if we come back over here, we could do best X under Y. That might not work for every situation. Like for, we could do best, let's do best landing page builder under. So that might not work. Under $500. This may not work for everything, but if we were doing like best desktop computer under $1,000, that works out great. But what I recommend that you do is start here at the bottom and then work your way up, work your way out. A huge pushback is going to be, what if I don't have the product? You don't need to have the product to do a review video. You need to consume what other people are saying. You need to consume what the customers are saying in order to put together a very good review video. It helps if you have the product. You don't necessarily have to have it. Okay. So we did best. We can do best X under Y like this, and excuse my handwriting, but up here we can do who, what, when, where, why, how. So who, what, when, where, why, and how. Now this is going to be the most competitive. Okay, it's the most competitive because it's the widest group of people. This is going to be the least competitive because it's the smallest group of people. This is also going to be the closest to the money. So if we come back over here, we could say something like how to build a sales funnel. Hit enter. You're going to see there's lots of views, but there's also lots of bigger brands. Look at this. How to create a sales funnel for free. 28,000 views, 632,000 subscribers, 253,000 views, 632,000 subscribers. It's a bigger grouping of people and it's more competitive. So we could say like how to build a landing page like this. But you see there are a lot of other options within that. 251,000 views. But if we hit the space bar here, how to build a landing page, there are additional questions that people are asking. So we'll come back to this because it looks like it's taking a little while. But if we look at this, this is how I would go about starting affiliate marketing. Okay, start down here. First, find a product that has been recently released to the market. You want to make sure this is a larger product, a more well-known brand. You don't want to do this for your cousin's new, thing that he created in his basement. You want to make sure that this product has marketing behind it. For example, ClickFunnels has a ton of marketing behind it. The Mac Studio by Apple has a ton of marketing behind it. The new iPhone, the new iWatch, the new iPad, all of that stuff has a ton of marketing behind it. And so you can piggyback off of the trend and the interest that is already there. So you're just going to create content. Now, when you create the content, what I recommend that you do is include bonuses. Yes. One of the best ways to secure the affiliate commission is to offer bonuses. For example, if I'm recommending ClickFunnels, I'm going to say, hey, look, if you sign up through my affiliate link, I'm going to give you a free course where that shows you how to get started with ClickFunnels step by step. Yes, you're going to have to put together a course, or you could give them 5 free landing pages if they use your affiliate link. And then you can verify that they signed up using your affiliate link. Then you can send them the landing pages. Think about what this customer needs in order to make their life easier. Okay, if they're getting started with ClickFunnels, maybe they're brand new to it, you give them a 30-minute step-by-step tutorial on how to get started with ClickFunnels, they're going to sign up with you. So think outside the box, think about what else your customer will want and need, and then you can provide that for them. If you are promoting a new camera, for example, you could give away the best settings for outdoor photography or the best settings for YouTube vlogging. Think about what the customer is going to use it for, and then you can create that as a bonus and give it to them. Now, don't get crazy with the bonuses. One of the things that I see are people give away $95,000 in bonuses, and it's a $5 product. That's overkill. What you want to do is make sure that the bonus is worth something, it's valuable, and it's actually related to what the product owner wants and needs. So think about the customer, think about the product owner, think about ways that you can help them, and they're going to sign up with you. Now that you know how to start in the description, or go to alstongodbold.com/start for a free training that shows you how you can start affiliate marketing without a huge following on social media, without spending a dime on paid ads, mailing list, or even a large mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you grow your online business.